Hello, good afternoon. I'm Fatima here from Earth and Art Studios, Secunderabad. My shop is based in Picket, opposite to the Ghanshyam supermarket there. Ghanshyam is a very famous landmark over there, so you can come to my store anytime. My passion is all handmade, handcrafted items, as you can see in the store. Most of the items are handmade and designed by myself. So yes, I'll take you around the shop so that you'll be having more clarity about my work. Signature product. These are shadow box nameplates. This is a basic shadow box. This is a 12-inch box. If you place an order with me, I will write your name over here on a plank and I'll give it to you. So this is a basic 12-inch box. Now in this I have a lot of variations with macrame and without macrame. And in macrame also I have these 4 designs available, and the sizes are, this is 12-inch, this 16-inch and 20-inch. According to the size of the house you can choose, and even for all these 2 sizes also the same macrame can be made. So that is one product. All these planters are designed and handmade by myself. This is a very unique Teju planter. These are hanging log planters made from mango wood. These are my smiley planters. They are all different expressions over here. This is a hand planter. This is a horse planter. Then I have these bottles, beautiful ones. These are log planters. So these log planters can be used like multi-purpose. Either you can put plants in this, or you can keep on the dining table with chutneys and achars, etc. Or you can keep candles also, or again you can even mix and match. Yeah, office mein table ke upar you can just keep pens and pencils, etc. For your stationery also you can use. And this is one more exclusive work of mine. This is a handmade handbag with a macrame handle. Very beautiful. The quality is fantastic. Then these are the micro and mini pots over here. One more very nice item I have is a magic diya. You need to pour oil from here and put the wick over here so that it lasts for about 8 hours continuously. And I have a small diya also in that one. Shivlingam, small one, very cute one. This is a small kitchen set. The compact, can be placed anywhere, indoors or outdoors. Usually people, we find big sized water fountains, but for small apartments and all, this is a very perfect size. We have lot of models even for that one. So you can see, and these are all made from sustainable products, no resin. It's all bamboo and coconut only. Very nice products. These are the different patterns of the water fountains available. This is a very pretty one. यहाँ से पानी आएगा and the wheel will turn around like this. This is my macrame partition. The full partition is handmade. It looks very lovely. It can be used as a room divider. If we have any function or anything, you want to just partition off one part of the room, you can use that. If you are interested in eco-friendly, sustainable, handmade items, this is the perfect place for you to come and have a look at all the beautiful things which we can do with our knowledge of, and we can, without spoiling the environment also, we can do such beautiful things. So please come and have a look. Thank you.